In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set tab stops in Microsoft Word to help improve the layout and formatting of your documents. This simple feature allows you to align text more precisely and can be a great time saver when you need to produce organized and professional-looking documents. Let's dive right into it. First, open the Microsoft Word file you want to work on. You may already have a document in mind or simply want to experiment. Once you have your Word document open, we'll move on to setting up the tabs. Now glance towards the upper left corner of your Word window. There's a little icon right below the clipboard group. It's the tab selector and looks like an L by default. This is what we call the left tab, which helps you set tab stops along the ruler. The tab selector icon is a handy tool for adjusting the alignment of your text. Left clicks on this icon cycle through different types of tabs and indents, such as center tab, right tab, decimal tab, and others. But for our purpose today, ensuring it's showing the left tab symbol is key to continue this process seamlessly. Give it a click to confirm it's set to the left tab. Now navigate your eyes to the ruler just above your document. If your ruler isn't visible, you can turn it on by going to the View tab in the ribbon and checking the box next to Ruler. The ruler is a powerful visual guide that shows you how your page is laid out, and it's where the magic of tabs happens. Once you see the ruler, decide where you want to set your tab stop. For this tutorial, we're going to set it at the 4-inch mark on the ruler. Simply click directly on the ruler at the number 4. What you've done is tell Word that whenever you press the Tab key, any text following it will align at this point. This is especially useful when you're drafting documents with lists, tables, or where consistent indentation is needed. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully set a left tab stop at the 4-inch mark on your ruler. Anytime you press the Tab key as you type, your cursor will jump to this predefined location, maintaining structure in your text paragraphs. Tabs are incredibly useful for keeping your documents neat and ensuring text aligns properly across various lines and sections. As you become more familiar with this feature, feel free to explore the different tab types available and see how they can further enhance your document formatting. And that's it for today. I hope this guide helps you create more organized documents. Happy typing!